Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your thermostat housing. First, gather all the necessary tools. You'll need a new thermostat housing, a fresh gasket, and some engine coolant. Make sure you have wrenches, pliers, and a drain pan ready. Having everything at hand will make the process much smoother and more efficient, saving you time and effort. Now, let's prepare your vehicle. Begin by safely draining the engine coolant into a clean container. You might be able to reuse it if it's fresh. Next, remove the air intake tube to give yourself more room to work. Finally, carefully disconnect the upper radiator hose and any electrical connectors attached to the thermostat housing. With the area clear, it's time to remove the old housing. Unbolt it and carefully pull it away from the engine. Take your time to thoroughly clean the mounting surface on the engine block, removing any old gasket material. Then, position the new gasket and install the new thermostat housing, tightening the bolts evenly to prevent leaks. Almost done. Reconnect all the hoses and electrical connectors you removed earlier, ensuring they are tight and secure. Now, refill the cooling system with the appropriate coolant mixture. Start the engine, allow it to reach operating temperature, and bleed any trapped air from the system. Finally, carefully inspect for any signs of leaks around the new housing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.